Today we will learn about big data. Before learn about big data, let us learn about data. What is data? Data is the name given to basic facts and entities such as names and numbers, weights, prices, costs, numbers of items sold, employee names, product names, addresses are examples of data. The number of viewers of a YouTube video is also an example of data. When data are filtered, processed, organized, structured, or presented to make it useful, they are called information. In other way, data are the raw form of information. There have several types of data. Some of them are geographical data, cultural data, scientific data, financial data, statistical data, meteorological data, natural data, and transport data. Now let us learn about big data. What is big data? As we know, the data are filtered, processed, organized, structured, or presented to make it useful. We need something which can filter, process, organize, structure, or present the data. Traditional data processing application softwares are used for filtering, processing, organizing, structuring, or presenting data. Traditional data processing application softwares have some limitations. They can't handle high volume of data. Nowadays, humans, machines, and organizations are generating high volume of data. Social media is an example of human-generated data. Social media generated more than 500 terabytes data every day. Big data is a field which is used to handle this high volume of data, which can't handle by traditional data processing application softwares. Now let us know about some of the big data examples. Social media. More than 500 terabytes of new data get ingested into the databases of social media sites like Facebook every day. This data is mainly generated in terms of photo and video uploads, message exchanges, putting comments, etc. Jet engine. A single jet engine can generate more than 10 terabytes of data in 30 minutes of flight time. With many thousand flights per day, generation of data reaches up to many petabytes. Now let us know about different types of big data. Big data mainly three types: structured, unstructured, semi-structured. An employee table in a database is an example of structured data. The output returned by Google search is an example of structured data. Personal data stored in an XML file is an example of semi-structured data. Now let us know about structured data. Any data that can be stored, accessed, and processed in the form of fixed format is termed as a structured data. Over the period of time, talent in computer science has achieved greater success in developing techniques for working with such kind of data, and also deriving value out of it. However, nowadays we are facing issue where a size of such data grows to a huge extent. Typically, sizes are being in the range of multiple zettabytes. 1024 exabytes equal to 1 zettabyte or 1 billion terabytes from a zettabyte. Looking at this figure, you can easily understand why the name Big Data is given and imagine the challenges involved in this storage and processing. Now let us know about unstructured data. Any data with unknown form or the structure is classified as unstructured data. In addition to the size being huge, unstructured data poses multiple challenges in terms of its processing for deriving value out of it. The typical example of unstructured data is a heterogeneous data source containing a combination of simple text file, images, videos, etc. Nowadays, organizations have wealth of data available with them, but unfortunately they don't know how to derive value out of it, since this data is in its raw form or unstructured format. Now let us know about semi-structured data. Semi-structured data can contain both the forms of data. We can see semi-structured data as a structured in form, but it is actually not defined with. Example of semi-structured data is a data represented in a XML file. Hope you learned about big data. We will discuss more about big data in next video. If you have any question about big data, let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, then please like and share this video. To get instant notification about our new videos, please subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon.